Salutations, fellas. We are once again back in with another POV in the C5. However, little change of location here. I'm on a new map, trying to spot some new roads, and in doing so, I ended up coming like a little bit out of the way here. But now that I'm heading back, I figured I'd turn on the camera and just like show you the way here. So there was a couple really good sections of road that I passed. Like, I don't think they're worth driving all the way out here for, but I don't know, there's something. I'm gonna need to go to like some car meets and figure out exactly where to bull, but I was hoping to find some like mountain roads for, you know, potential Mexico activity. I know it's not a great idea to be doing that alone out here with potentially no signal and stuff, but yeah, I don't know. It'd be like that sometimes, but a man like me is just simply trying to find some trolling roads. Like, some parts of these are okay, but like overall I'm not gonna actually like try to slide here or drive fast because there's houses everywhere and like people on the road and stuff. But yeah, I don't know, when you go up in the roads here, it seems like it's just, I don't know, too gravelly and stuff like that. So yeah, or they're like private and look really sus, like meth spots, or like I'm gonna get shot or something. So I'm not trying to do that, especially not in this car. So yeah, I don't know. I guess enjoy the ride. I'll cut out the boring sections, but there was a part back there that was like almost not back there, but like back where I'm coming from and where I'm going now, where it was like almost like the tail of the dragon in the sense that it was like dipping back and forth. But what this place is lacking is like those like turns and like curves and stuff like that. Like I found some sort of sweepy turns, but it's a lot of straight stuff here. I'm gonna need to have to figure out where you can actually get some curvy driving. But yeah, I guess I'll turn this on, or not. But yeah, sit back and enjoy the ride. Like, this was the only potential like slide spot I saw. Alright, so we're off that tiny road and now we're back on the main road. And this isn't the section I was talking about. I mean, it's pretty okay, I guess, like straight and with little turns, but there was like one little section for probably like half a mile that was really good. Unfortunately, my tires in this car are cooked and it's wet outside, like front and back tires, so I mean, if it was just rear tires I could handle that, because like a little bit of sliding never hurt anyone and I can expect that. But when your car understeers when you're on like a sus road and you're kind of cooking it, it's just like not good. So I'm going to not go super fast in that section because I don't want to die. Alright, looks like we're coming up on the beginning. Honestly, this section is better going the other way because you get more of the dips. Heck yeah, that was a good section right there. And that's low-key the best part of this whole road. I mean, the rest of it is kind of like this. like little sweepers, little turns and stuff like that, a lot of straightaways, but that was the actual like good part. I suppose this part could be good too. However, I don't really consider roads that are like in the middle of like houses and stuff good, because it's like you can't really bull these safely. Very cool. There's actually another road I went up this way that looked on the map that it was going up into the mountain. However, it turned into a dirt road, and it also had a bunch of spray paint that said High Life and things that say, I don't know, like private property and stuff like that, so I'm not trying to get shotted out here. If I had like a dual sport or something, it'd be cool to go up there, but even then I'm not trying to go into like somebody's house, you know? But that road went on for like miles, like up into the mountain, so that would have been like really cool to actually explore. If I was a JIT and didn't have like things to live for, I feel like it would be kind of entertaining to check that out. Now, I'm seeing all these mountains, but I haven't found any good roads to bull on. I mean, even the main roads here aren't like that great condition, so I guess it makes sense that the ones out there aren't that great. I mean, I'm going to be driving around a little bit more in the upcoming days and weeks, trying to look for better roads. I'm going to spend more time on the maps and stuff to see like where everything actually is. I know there's some state parks around here and stuff like that. Going in state parks is not always the best because there's like people and rangers and stuff like that, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to look around and try to see what kind of good roads there are around here, because there's got to be some. Plus, like, car mates will probably show me some as well. I saw that Camaro guy earlier. Maybe he went to go hit that section of road and come back. I don't mean to be crossing the mustard so much, but with these front tires, I don't trust to push the G's very hard, so at least it's dry, so I'll drive pretty spiritedly, but not too hard. I also gotta find where the bigger mountains are. I know these are, I don't even know if you can call it, they're like hills, but like sort of mountains. I'm not sure. I feel like the taller ones will have more real estate for roads and stuff. looks like we've caught up to traffic. If I can find a spot to pass, then I guess this video will go on, but if not, then thanks for joining us, and, well, I guess me this time. I'll be on the lookout for better roads and places to go, so keep an eye out for that, and hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I don't know, if you know any good roads around the Huntsville area, just let me know. But yeah, have a good one, and I'll see y'all in the next one.